In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to re-add a voided invoice in Xero. This is perfect for those moments when an invoice was voided by mistake or you simply need to recreate it with the same details. Start by heading to your Xero dashboard and opening the sales area from the main navigation. From there, go into Invoices. This takes you to your full invoice list and gives you access to the search tools you'll need. Next, open the search options. To make sure voided invoices appear in your results, turn on the setting to include deleted and voided items. That filter is key. Without it, you won't see anything that's been voided. Once that's selected, run the search. You'll now see results that include voided invoices. Find the invoice you want to bring back and select it to open its details. On the invoice page, look for the 3-dot More Options menu, usually in the upper corner. Open that menu and choose Copy to Draft Invoice. Xero will prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and click Copy. Xero creates a brand new draft invoice using the details from the voided one. Before you finalize anything, take a moment to review the draft. Check the contact, dates, line items, quantities, unit prices, tax settings, and any notes. If your organization follows strict numbering rules, remember that this is a new invoice. The number may differ from the voided one. If needed, add a reference to the original number in the reference or description fields so your records stay clear. Also, confirm things like discounts, tax treatment, and currency are correct for the period you're working in. When everything looks good, you have two choices. If you're ready to finalize and send it out, choose Approve and Email. This will approve the invoice and open the email workflow so you can notify your customer right away. If you're not ready to send or you want someone else to double check the details, choose Save and Close. That keeps the invoice as a draft so you can return to it later or run it through your normal review process. And that's it. By using the search filter to include deleted and voided items, selecting the voided invoice and copying it to a draft, you can quickly and safely recreate an invoice without re-entering everything from scratch. Take a moment to review the draft carefully. Then either approve and email it or save it for later, whatever fits your workflow.